Mayday, 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 American 679, like to continue climbing out straight ahead, have an engine failure.
American 679, roger, say intention.
I'd like to come back to Dallas for a full stop. Request crash crew.
American 679, you'll be best served on departure, contact departure, they'll have you right around.
Departure, American 679, like to climb straight out, engine failure, what's an emergency?
679, roger, your radar contact, what can I do for you, sir?
I'd like to come back to Dallas for a full stop.
I know you're doing a lot, Texas, American 679, whenever you have a moment, just let me know which engine that was that failed, and obviously the fuel and souls, again, that's whenever you have a moment.
Okay, it's left engine, and the fuel is, we have souls of 197, fuel of 4.5 hours of fuel.